Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope you are doing well. Alhamdulillah, I am pretty good by the grace of Almighty Allah. My name is Muhammad Shahid. I am 12 years old. Ongoing. My father is Abu Kalam. I study in grade 5. I originally from Wangadong, Blister, Mundu Township, Arkansas, Myanmar. My current address is Block B8 Camp 80 Balukali 1 Ukia Coast Bazar, Bangladesh. I would like to be a teacher in the future. I like studying education. I feel better when I study education. My ambition is to develop my community. Many thanks for giving me this opportunity. All of you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.